All right, we're starting with the foundation of it all. How do I start an Instagram page? Most people use Instagram on their phones, not on their computers. You can use it on your computer, but it's better for your phone. So you want to get that Instagram app. Now, if you don't have a smartphone, then yes, use a laptop. Instagram and social medias are only used on smartphones or on laptops or tablets. So you would go to your app store on your smartphone and download the Instagram app. Okay, so from there, it's going to ask you to log in, but underneath you want to click sign up instead because you don't have one yet. Now you can enter in your phone number, email, that's totally preference. This is just a way to see how it is going to authenticate you or how you can sign in the future. I always do my email. You type in your email, and then your name, your full name. If you want to keep that hidden, you're welcome to. Just make it something that you remember. Then a password, and they're going to make you do a password that has certain requirements. So if your password doesn't work at first, that means that you probably needed to add a number or a symbol. But make sure it's a password that is not used in a lot of other places, but also one that you will remember. Now your username is the way people are going to search for you on Instagram. So you want to make it something that is easy, not a ton of numbers. If you don't create your own username, Instagram is going to make up one for you, and they'll just make probably one that has your name with a lot of numbers, and that's confusing. The best way I say is just to do your name, and if that name is taken, you could do your name and you could do a simple number by it. John Smith 1. It's something that your friends and family or your clients will find. So if it's a business, then definitely do the business name. If that business name is taken, well, if it's a common business name such as Bagel Shop, you could always do Bagel Shop St. Louis or Bagel Shop Los Angeles, but that is up to you. So you're gonna do your username. So once you do that, you've officially created an Instagram account, and I'll be back to talk more on how to decorate your account or how to customize your profile. Talk to you soon.